Namaskara. Now, I am teaching chair Surya Namaskara. Means you can practice Surya Namaskara on the chair itself. Essential practice for the old age people, and those who can't sit on the floor can practice easily. Person who has undergone bypass surgery and back surgery should not practice for 60 days. Then they can also do this easily. Chair Surya Namaskara improves blood circulation, improves sleep quality, improves the functioning of the liver, spleen, pancreas and kidneys, provide good exercise to the heart and the lungs, improves oxygen level and helps to manage the pulse rate, and it controls cholesterol level. That helps to prevent cardiovascular diseases. Like this, thousands of benefits are with the Surya Namaskara. Now let us see the Surya Namaskara. First you should sit on the chair like this, straight. You can take support if you want, or sit a little front. Then keep your legs in a V shape, adopt Namaskara mudra, then chant Stotra. Om Mitraya Namaha. Ekam Dve Trini Chatvari Panch Shad Sapt Ast Nav Dash Ekadash Dvadash. This completes the round. Practice 4, 6 or 100 Surya Namaskaras according to your capacity. Practice Surya Namaskara in a sequence and get complete benefits. Happy time.